You have to find the common factors of 5, 15 and 25. So first let's start with 5, and you have 5. So 5, the factors of 5 will be like, you have 1 times 5, right? So since 5 is a prime number, so there's only 2 factors possible for 5, and that are 1 and 5. So we'll write 1 and 5. Then you have 15. So for 15, you can write 1 times 15. So will be 15. The smallest factor will be 1, and the greatest factor of 15 will be 15 itself. Then you have what else? 3 times. It's not divisible by 2. Why? Because at the units place, for any number to be divisible by 2, should have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at its units place. In this case, it has 5 at its units place, so this number is not divisible by 2. By 3, yes, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. So you have 3, and then you have 5, right? So there is no other possible factors for this one. There is no other possible factors of this one. It's just 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. So then what about, so for those of you who don't know how to find all the possible factors of any given number, I mean, you can just go in the playlist and check. We have a separate video for that one, how to find all the possible factors for any given number. Now let's check for 25. Now let's check for 25. So you have 25, and the smallest factor will be 1, and the largest factor will be 25 itself. And so we'll write here 1, and we'll write 25 here. Okay, is this number divisible by 2? No, this number is not divisible by 2 because it has 5 at its units place. Is this number divisible by 3? So in order for any number to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits should be, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So in this case, if you add the digits, you will get 5 plus 2, and this will be 7. And 7 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 25 is not divisible by 3. What about 4? No, it is also not divisible by 4 because it has an odd digit at the units place. What about 5? Yes, this will be divisible by 5. So this will be 5 times 5. This will give you 25. Right? So this will be 5. This will be 5. Is there any other possible factors? The answer will be no. There will not be any other possible factors. Again, if you want to see, if you want to know that how you find all the possible factors, we have a separate video for that, and we don't want to discuss this here because it will take a lot of time. So 1, 5 and 25, these are the possible factors of 25. Now you have to find the common factors. You have to find the common factors. You have to find the common factors. So the common factors are, you have 1 here, you have 1 here, and you have 1 here. So 1 for sure will be there, right? And the next one is 5 here, you have 5 here, you have 5 here. So the next one will be 5. So 1 and 5 are the common factors in case of 5, 15 and 25.